Fresh and healthy air is essential for any living space, especially for multifamily properties. That's why Field Controls created the Fresh Command Multifamily Control, or FCMC, the smartest and simplest way to manage outside air ventilation. Engineered to meet ASHRAE 62.2 ventilation code, which ensures indoor air quality and energy efficiency. Installation is a breeze, with no programming required. It automatically adjusts ventilation based on temperature and humidity, thanks to a patented algorithm that keeps them within the optimal ranges recommended by ASHRAE. Installing the FCMC is straightforward. The device can mount on any wall inside the utility closet under the influence of the mixed air stream. The FCMC stands out with 6 terminals for seamless connections, giving it the ability to make smart decisions based on the combination of outdoor and indoor temperature and humidity levels. This includes an intelligent synchronization of fresh air ventilation while the system is operating in heating or cooling modes to prevent unwanted running of the central fan for extended periods of time. The time control knob allows for precise setting of ventilation times, ensuring optimal air quality. The benefits of the FCMC are substantial. It optimizes indoor air quality and reduces energy consumption by synchronizing with the heating and cooling equipment. It also lowers maintenance costs by maintaining proper air temperatures for the equipment and preventing excess humidity within the dwelling. The Quick Start Test feature and Fast Click Lock Cover provide easy verification of operation and discourage tampering. Choose the FCMC for a dependable, code-compliant ventilation solution that enhances the comfort and health of multifamily living spaces. Don't let your multifamily property suffer from poor or excessive ventilation. Choose the FCMC and enjoy the benefits of fresh air and smart air control. Contact Field Controls today to learn more.